Hey everyone, my name is Dory Lobel. I'm a guitarist, producer, and musical director. I spent the last 13 years on the TV show The Voice on NBC, where I was the lead guitar player and then the musical director for the show. And before that, I worked with a lot of artists, including Enrique Iglesias, the Backstreet Boys, Colby Calais, Hilary Duff, Jesse McCartney, both as a songwriter and producer, musical director, guitar player, a lot of different capacities. And most importantly, I'm a very, very proud graduate of GIT, MI, Musicians Institute here in Hollywood, which is actually the reason I'm in LA at all. I always revered everything that happened here. And as a guitar player, everyone from Eddie Van Halen, Steve Vai, Joe Satriani, this is the place where it all happened. So I actually moved here to LA specifically for MI and had the best time of my life. And I'm so excited to be back here. I'm actually got emotional being back here after so long. I guess the school did what it was supposed to, and I was busy working for the last 23 years since graduating. So if you have the opportunity to come here, or if you're lucky enough to be a student here right now, it's one of the most amazing music schools in the world and very unique because it offers real world skills that you need to use, and it's a more condensed time frame. So I owe so much of my career to Musicians Institute. I'm very lucky to have been here. For me, MI gave me exactly what I needed because I actually came up like a lot of rock guitar players. I wasn't a hardcore jazz guy. I didn't go to music college just to study classical music or jazz. But I was really a player, and I came up, I used to do shows, I used to gig, but I had so many things that I didn't know how to do, a lot of kind of gaps in my music theory knowledge and different styles. And I was hoping that MI would be the place for someone like me, who's really kind of like a warrior, soldier, comes in, boot camp, learn the things that I need to use to have a career in music. And again, luckily it gave me all that and more. And the time I spent here, I got all the stuff the gaps that I had in my knowledge about music theory, ear training. What I got out of the school was, first of all, the full immersion with amazing faculty, having open counseling where it's unlimited. It's an all-you-can-eat buffet, and I'm super greedy, so I didn't eat any all day. I would come here in the morning, spend time with Scott Henderson and Alan Hines, and there was specifically a live playing workshop called The Real World, where they throw music at you that you've never heard. You have to go on stage and play it. And that's literally what I do on The Voice, that prepared me for that. So I think it's such a unique school, and I think a lot of times for a really changing field like music and being a professional musician, you have to have a really innovative institution and in a school. This place gives you all the tools you need to get thrown out into Hollywood or anywhere in the world and get gigs, get auditions, know what to do, know how to learn music very quickly, know to adapt to different situations. So it was incredible for me, and I'm sure for anyone else going here. Starting a career in music is a challenging thing, just like everything is challenging now. But of course, music, everyone wants to do it because it's the most amazing thing. So there's a lot of competition. It requires a lot of dedication and passion. So whatever you can do to help yourself, I think that's a valuable thing. And even if there's a cost connected to that, of course, any school, any institution that has amazing facilities is going to cost money, but everything in life costs money. We have to move to start a career, we have to invest in a lot of different things. So I think the unique combination here of three things, of having the most amazing support and curriculum and facilities, being in an environment where you're connecting and you're building your network, and you're actually meeting the people that could quite literally take you and start your career. You can get your first gig by being here, and also being in the right place, because LA is still, it was always the center of music. So I think the combination of these three things makes it an incredibly powerful way to kickstart your career. So I highly recommend, if you're considering coming here and are able to come here, it's really a luxury and an amazing opportunity. And 23 years later, I'm still here doing the same thing. I'm still the same kid, practicing guitar all the time. I'm so excited being back in MI. So I want to thank the school for that.